Hello students, welcome to Maneuver Education. So guys, this is the video for the students who are preparing for the NIMSET exam. Okay, so guys, if you are writing for the NIMSET 2025 or preparing for the next year NIMSET 2026, so guys, this is going to be a video that is gonna help you a lot. Okay, and guys, if you are preparing for NIMSET 2025, you can join our classroom program. You can contact on the given links. You can, if you are Mumbai based or you can, if you are Pune based, you can contact on the given link. And if you are pan India guys, not Mumbai Pune based, so you can join our live classroom programs. So guys, live classroom program join करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है? You have to just visit our website. So guys, you're gonna go to the manuareducation.com, manuaredu.com, and guys, there you're gonna go for the buy course. Then you have to select MC course. Then guys, if you want to go for the NIMSET, you can select here for the NIMSET courses guys. You can join for the NIMSET live courses guys. You can join if you are preparing for next year. You can join NIMSET 2026 marathon batch. And guys, if you are going for the self-study, you can join for the self-study course as well. You can choose for the sectional. You can choose for the mock test as per your requirement guys. Completely fulfillment courses hai. Okay. And guys, if you want to write down for, if you are preparing for next year and you want to go for the all courses. So guys, just you have to go for the all MCA exams and there you can join our courses. So guys, if you are preparing for MCA, MCA exams, that is Maharashtra MCA, CUET, PG MCA, and guys, NIMSET. So guys, in these courses, all your courses will be covered. And NIMSET as well as Maharashtra CET and CUET PG. Okay. Now coming to the topic guys. So guys, this year, first of all, NIMSET, who is gonna conduct the NIMSET? So basically guys, we all know NT is the organization that conducts the exam, but guys, the paper is set by different NITs. And guys, this year, this is the term for the NIT Trichurapalli. Okay, so NIT Trichy इस बार guys exam लिखने वाला है, and this is a very you can say guys very good NIT. This is for a, you can say guys top ranker students NIT Trichy के लिए जाते हैं. So guys, this year we can accept a paper is going to be a very of good level, अच्छे level का paper होने वाला guys. So guys, mode of exam, you all know that will be an online exams. And guys, types of question, there will be only MCQs guys. There will be no theta type questions. There will be only MCQs questions. And guys, there will the exam will be held in 4 sections. Sectionals आपके पास होंगे guys, 4 sections में आपके पास होने वाला guys. And yes, there is a sectional timer as well. So guys, sectional timer होगा. So yes, dear, sectional timer होने वाला है. You cannot move from one topic to another topic until time is not over. And guys, total number of questions की बात करते हैं. So this is 120 question marks का पेपर होने वाला है. And guys, negative marking भी होता है. Okay, so guys, other you can say some कुछ एग्जाम्स के अंदर guys नेगेटिव नहीं होते, स्टूडेंट्स सबको टिक करते हैं, बट guys there is a negative of 1/4 marks guys, so there will be a negative, so be careful about it guys. Okay, and guys टोटल मार्क्स की अगर बात करते हो तो guys that is about 1000 मार्क्स का टोटल आपके पास एग्जाम होने वाला है. And guys, if we talk about the safe score, okay, so guys, safe score for admission in any NIT or triple ITs also guys. So guys, that is about 650 guys. This is I am talking about any NIT, not all NIT. So guys, if you're gonna go for the NIT Trichy or if you are if you want to go to NIT Delhi, so guys, your score must be 750 plus, or I guess guys about 800 भी जा सकता है इस बार कट ऑफ. ओके, एंड गाइस टाइमिंग की बात करें तो टोटल टाइम इज ऑफ 2 आवर्स का आपका एग्जाम होने वाला है. एंड गाइस डेट अनाउंस हो चुका है, दैट इज ऑफ 8th ऑफ द जून. 8 जून को आपका एग्जाम है फ्रॉम 2 PM to 4 PM. नेक्स्ट गाइस, next are the guys, what are the different colleges which accept the NIT score? So guys, स्टूडेंट्स के माइंड में ब्रेन होता है कि गाइस सिर्फ NIMSET का स्कोर क्या सिर्फ NITs accept करते हैं? No guys, NITs are the main, but guys not all NITs accept, because some NITs have dropped the MCA program, just like NIT Surat College dropped MCA program. But guys, there are a lot of NITs which accept. So we can say guys, firstly the NIT Tiruchirappalli, next NIT Allahabad, NIT Meghalaya. This year it has added NIT Wrangle guys, and NIT Kurukshetra, NIT Patna, NIT Bhopal, NIT Jamshedpur, NIT Agartala, NIT Raipur, and guys, the most important, NIT Delhi is also gonna accept MCA score for the 2025 onward exams. Okay, and guys, if we talk about the triple IT, so guys, as per now, triple IT Bhopal and triple IT Vadodara are accepting the score. So basically guys, if we talk about, even if I'm considering 60 students per college, so guys, अगर अकॉर्डिंग आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे 11 and NITs है मेरे पास, 2 IITs है, so I can say 13 into 60, that will be around you can say 780 seats आपके पास मिलने वाला है. Okay, and this seats might also increase because guys, a multiple NIT scores provide you multiple MCA programs. Okay, so guys, these are the main colleges that will surely accept your NIMSET because guys, but अभी डिले हो रहा है. अभी guys, जो आपके पास आपका जो फॉर्म आ रहा है, ब्रोशर आने में थोड़ा सा डिले हो रहा है बिकॉज गाइस NIT दिल्ली रिसेंटली ऐड हुआ है, सो माइट बी देयर आर चांसेस some other NITs or some other triple ITs may consider for the exam and NIMSET score for the triple IT MCA exams. Okay, next guys, other colleges, although guys this is not mentioned in the brochure till now, but guys you can say previous years में guys ये colleges हैं आपके पास जो top universities हैं, these do accept the NIMSET score for the MCA entrance. Okay, so guys, you can consider for them also. You can say guys, University of Hyderabad, we have Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women, Greater Noida Institute of Technology Engineering Institute, this also consider guys NIMSET को score accept करते हैं. Delhi Skill and Entrepreneurship University, and guys International School of Informatics and Management, that is triple IM जयपुर गाइस, ये भी आपके स्कोर NIMSET के स्कोर को एक्सेप्ट करता है. आल्सो गाइस सिमंता इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज उड़ीसा गाइस, दिस इज आल्सो एक्सेप्टिंग योर NIMSET स्कोर. Okay, so guys, there is a wide range for the NIMSET, and guys, if you score a good amount, so guys, you can definitely get NITs or triple ITs, and definitely you can achieve your dream college. Okay, so guys, if you have started your preparation, so that's great, and if you want to boost your preparation, so you can join our classroom. And guys, for these important videos guys, channel को subscribe कर लीजिए and like कीजिए guys video, and share it with your friends who are writing NIMSET this year. Okay.